dance is called Have No Fear. 32 count, 4 walls. There are 2 tags in this dance. End of wall 1 and wall 7. And there is a restart during wall 5 after 16 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step right to the side. Touch left next to right. Step left to the side. Kick your right. Behind, side, cross. Do a lumbar box. Side together forward, side together back. Section 1 with a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, do a back coaster with your leg. Back together, forward. Step right forward, make a pivot quarter turn to the left. Pivot quarter turn to the left with a cross. Step your left to the side. Rock right, back, recover. Step right to the side. Rock back, left, recover. Section 2, back coaster with the count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 3, do a 3/4 shuffle to the left, making a turn 3/4, you will face 12 o'clock. So shuffle will be left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Sweep your right in front, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter turn, forward. Section 3 with a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section, mambo forward with your right, forward mambo, mambo with the left, back mambo. Do 2 military half turn, step, turn, step, turn. Non-turning option will be the last section, forward mambo, back mambo, rocking chair, rock, recover, back, recover. And you end the dance here. Let me go through from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of wall 1. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. There is a tag. You have to make a quarter turn to your left. When you end the dance here, make a quarter turn to the left and lift up your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a jazz block quarter turn to your right. Cross, back, side, forward. And that's the tag. There is a restart during wall 5 of this dance after 16 count. Let me show you wall 5. Here's wall 5. We do 16 count restarts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Instead of the side rock right recover, you just side step. And then you start the dance facing 9 o'clock for the next wall.